into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made up all that we find. Test the waters, oh, it's hard. I think we're getting close. Racing through the waves, I want to be where nobody knows. Take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made up all that we find. Electric, feel it in your hands. Hypnotic, watch your body stand. Happiness, this is where we stand.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another session. We are back. It is Monday and we're back. We have a lot of stuff to do right now. Get prepared for the market open. Just want to show you guys my trade that I took on EURNZD from last night. And yeah, so took a trade on EURNZD toward the upside, just following the euro buys. Like you can tell today on your no one's gonna take euro pair short today. Like it's the trend is too strong. Like obviously there was a swap in liquid 50 toward the short side, but I mean like look at this momentum on euro pairs. Like you can't beat that. It's just too strong today. You can't beat that bias, that long-term bias. So for all the people looking for shorts, don't. I highly advise not to. And so that's one of the reasons why I took Euro NZD. Last night I was just following that's really strong bias. I didn't take Euro JPY short just because it didn't show me the same strength as Euro NZD from last night. But hey, it is what it is. So yeah, we took that for a nice 2R out of that. So just a good trade. Just not. Obviously a C set. I'm not gonna be taking a huge risk on that. But yeah, we'll see. Market is hot right now. Market is literally green for today. We have the Nasdaq up about well, hard to show you, but so we got the Nasdaq going up right now. So it looks like we're kind of just reversing all the gains from today, which I think is really good. We can see a definitely good reversal to the upside. Gold, I'm looking to short it, but we'll see what we do here. If we make another lower high or a double top, or we continue going higher, we'll see. But yeah, that's your NZD. I'm looking to trade a ticker symbol Dow right now. Also got a trade journal my Euro NZD trade that I took last night. But yeah, it should be really like interesting trading session. I think we're gonna see a lot of momentum today on stocks, so it's good for me. I'm looking to get at least 2R on my trades. So let's see what we could do. 2 execution R. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some coffee. Alrighty, we got some coffee. Euro NZD could definitely pull back. You can look for maybe a D1 entry off the 50 right there. I wouldn't mind that. But there's no divergence yet. Alright. We got our eggnog right over here. And then we got our coffee. From Starbucks, let's go. Starting up the session really good. Alright. Yeah, Euro USD has a lot of momentum right now. You can definitely tell. Just a lot like momentum right there. But I mean, in the matter of ace fixed systems, not really any good entries, to be honest. But I mean, you could definitely take advantage, like I did, taking advantage of the higher time frames. Obviously this is called market noise in my opinion. That's what I call it, market noise, because it's whenever the market opens and it gets a little bit choppy. So obviously it's gonna be swapping liquid 50. But you can just take advantage of the momentum on the higher time frames and take it long. Yeah, eggnog is pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. The XY looks like it's starting to weaken. Morning, dog. Ugh. Yeah, I'm gonna buy some options right now when the market opens on Dow. Ticker symbol Dow. It's a swing trade that I like a lot based on Dr. Ken Long systems. I like it a lot. All right, we got that done. Oops, that's not what I was doing. All right, 1 minute. Can I copy this? Oh, there we go. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Oh, it copies it like straight up from the thing. That's sick. Can I copy it like that? That's so sick. I don't have to like rearrange it. Thank you, TradingView. This is my wrist boxes for the day. Cool. Cool beans. All right. Nah, I don't like that color. Pink, let's go. Alright, we got 10 minutes since the market opens. Just doing this. It's kind of my key layouts. And where I'm going to be entering. Let's see. Alright, so I have gold in my watch list for today. What else? One-hour buy zone, yep. I can regard 15-minute as market noise. 4-hour buy zone, yep. MACD, summer. Went daily, summer, buy zone. So I can disregard the 15-minute chart as market noise. And you can clearly tell the momentum is still there. Like, clearly, guys, look at that. It's a rejection, and then a rejection back to the original mean of data, or the original drop right over here. Like, you know, that doesn't lie. Like, why would you want to take this short even if the liquid 50 is clearly there? It's coming off a daily pivot, or not. Come on, pivot. Yeah, it's coming off the daily pivot and off the 50 EMA. Clearly long biased, very long biased. So I'm looking to see if I can take that entry. Oh, I just want to see if there's any levels. There's the one level right over here. Just one level. I can trade it off right there. I'm looking maybe for a Z3 pinch. Not on this system, not on the ASFX systems. Because I know I haven't backtested too much on oil. On my scalping system, I'm confident that I could probably take a trade on it. Just because I've backtested it on different instruments, but I'm not gonna trade the ASFX systems on oil. It's not that I haven't backtested that enough. If I do find an entry, but I would much rather just wait for a Z3 pinch on this trade. So I'll just wait for that. Gold spot, just gold is just doing its thing. I mean, not really anything on Forex pairs right now. Like, I was like looking at EN. Maybe you could trade it up to the 50, but it looks like it's falling. Nothing really interesting. Like, I can't trade anything specifically today. Like, I could try to, like, off the 200 EMA if I really want to, and just following the Euro bias on Euro AUD. That would make sense to me. But just EuroCAD, I don't see an entry. Euro JPY, I don't see an entry. Euro JP, I don't see an entry, of course. JP JPY, no entry for me. GU, no entry. UJ, no entry. EU, no entry. So there's no entry for me. Like, I don't see anything that I could trade for today. So, like, I mean, EN, maybe, if it, you know, if it holds the 50. Euro AUD looks like a maybe to me. Just a maybe. But the EMAs could definitely be better. But you try trading it off the daily pivot right over here. But who knows? I don't like how the MACD is looking at, so I don't think it's going to hold this level. But we'll see. You got 5 minutes until the bell opens. What happened? Oh. Pretty much everything I'm looking at, like maybe Euro NZD, Euro AUD, oil today, obviously the indices, Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, gold, maybe looking to short that. Stocks, I'm looking for mostly, I think, Dow. I think I'm gonna enter on that position in Dow. Not really like Devon. I may trade Devon maybe, but I want to enter my positions on Dow for today on stocks. But that's pretty much it for today. I don't see anything else. Obviously oil as well. I know the oil sector has been really, the energy sector has really started to kind of improve. So, you can take advantage of that. Yeah, your AUD is just failing right now. Just failing. Man, I shouldn't have bought too much coffee, like eggnog and coffee. It's too much. Yeah, your AUD is falling right now. Alright, I think I'm mostly going to be focused on Dow and oil and gold for right now. We'll see. Let's see what the market does. Unambiguous move toward the downside. Definition of beginning. Sideways quiet channel for a pattern 5 or a C3 pinch. Yeah, your AUD is just falling right now. Forever. Good old chain trading for today. That's a lot of coffee. I'm gonna feel it today whenever I'm running. Alright, P1 RLCO outside the river. Alright, 10 cross dragon, RLT. $53 seconds. Let's go. OXD exit out. Alright, market opens in about 30 seconds. Let's get ready. Stretch yourself. Get ready for, extreme movements for today. And let's go. Give yourself a stretch. Boom, boom. Alright. Market has opened. As you can see, it's coming up. Oops, I did not have my GTC is literally coming up to the upside. 5487 on Dow. Let's see what we should do. 5487. 5487. Ooh, yeah, we're falling right now, which could be a good entry for me. 5477, 5473, 5469. We failing. We're failing to break the high. Which is fine for me. I'm just gonna wait for that entry. Dow, I need to get my magic keys on. That was my fault. Today's risk will be about 1/4% of an R. Coming up to the first standard deviation. We'll see. I'm reluctant to take it long for right now, because I am expecting a reversal on the open, but we'll see. I may just reduce my risk because I know there could be a reversal. About 90% of the time, not 90%, I'll say about 65% of the time there's a reversal. 70%, I'll say 70%. From my trading, all my trades, and me trading indices for over like 2 years now, I'll say that 70% of the time is like a reversal. 5480 on Dow. Oil's coming down. Your AUD is still coming down. Let's see, look at your NTD. Your NTD is trying to hold that level. Let's see if we try to hold that level toward the upside. We have divergence now, so that means we could start building a little momentum toward the upside. So we'll see. Alright. See if we can... I may just reduce risk right now. I mean, instead of going in at 1/4%, I'm going in about 0.10%, because I know market is a bit contagious. Dow's coming down 54.50 right now, which is pretty good. I can get a better price on it if it does continue coming higher. Dow 30 starting to come higher. I'm about to get in. No, I'm not in yet. $54.50. Oil's holding that level. Your NZD is still holding that level too. Looks like this could be the reversal for today. We'll see. Comes up with one standard deviation and comes down. That makes sense to me. holding the 50 EMA right over here. We'll see. Dow is 54.80 right now, 54.48 now. We're just waiting right now. Let me take a look at GTC. GTEC. Oh, we had a massive gap up on GTEC. That's insane. We had like, see that reversal right there? We have a, oh my god, a 50% upside on GTEC right over here. That's insane. 50%. It must be a catalyst for today. I bet a lot of traders are trying to take that long. On the 1 minute, it looks like it's trying to hold. We have kind of like a Z angle in it, so big gap up from 5 to like what, like all the way up to $9. That's insane. Let's see if it holds that level. Maybe I can do like a quick scalp on it. Still holding that level off the 50 EMA. But we do have diverges now. As price action is starting to come up, we have price action, or the MACD falling down, which is one source of data. The RSI is also falling, so that's second data point. Your NZD is still holding. Oil is starting to come down. Yeah, it's a massive gap down on GTC. I think we just halted right now. Yeah, we just halted. Oh, resumed halt. A halt basically means like whenever a stock is in ticker symbol, it's basically like traders are going ham on it, buying and selling so fast, and the stock literally shoots up like 50% in 1 minute, 20% in 1 minute. The NASDAQ or whatever the exchange is, they halt the stock because there's so much momentum. Halts are a little bit dangerous because if you are in a trade during a halt, that means you're paused. So whenever the halt resumes, it's like another market open where it could shoot up or shoot down. I know momentum traders who trade halts were like, it's just insane. I was like, bro, you're insane. So much like anticipation of what's gonna happen next, and these folks are like freaking holding like thousands of shares. Yeah, look at that reversal. So that's interesting. Comes up, one standard deviation toward the upside, then comes down. Some market failure toward the downside, so we're looking for an owl entry, which is pretty good. I think the owl entry is like my sweet spot, where I really can identify that short-term trend. Your NZD is starting to come down. Dow is at 54.43, which is fine. Your NZD breaks through the 50 off the bias 50, so we could just go ahead and come down. So I can look for maybe a level 2 entry for a scalp. We'll see. Oil is shooting down, and stocks are shooting down. GTC is falling, so I'm losing interest on that fast. VIX is starting to add an interest. Ooh, we're getting this started. Alright. We're holding off the daily pivot, I believe. Yep, daily pivot right now. And the 50 EMA on the 15-minute chart, so we'll see if we hold right over here. Which is fine. I'm looking for longs on that. Dow, what you doing, Dow? Dow is just, you know, it's at 54.28. Shooting down, markets are shooting down. My portfolio is going to shit. No, I'm kidding. I mean, technically, like, as the market goes down, I am losing a little bit of money in my portfolio. That's why I hedge my portfolio really nicely. Like, look at EWZ and EWW. Like, they're up 1% and the market is down right now. I think that's really significant. So, EWW is Mexico. It's a Mexico exchange-traded fund. So, like, you know, it's just basically trading these, you know, these emerging markets. You know, Mexico, even though, like, I'm not Mexican, but, like, Mexico is, it's a good investment, guys. Like, because they're the next emerging market where they have a good economy, they have good economics, they have a GDP, they have a nice GDP, rising GDP, they have really nice businesses, they have a really rising economy, you know. It's nothing like, you know, Africa or anything like that, where it's like they have a lot of problems in it. So Mexico is a really good investment in my opinion. Dr. Ken Long's looking at Tesla, PPW, and GPTC. Is it GTC or GBTC? No, he's looking at BE. Nice. He took a trade on the open. But I mean, yeah, I mean, these are just emerging markets where they've been growing really, like, not in like Bitcoin, but just like a really good trend. Like if you look at I'm just gonna go to EWZ, just 1% today on Brazil. That's a good, like, it's a strong trend, as you can see right over here on the exchange traded fund. EWW, really strong trend as well in Mexico. But I mean, these are just really good trends. We're trying to hold off the Bollinger medium right there. Could be, ooh. I gotta get prepared for this. GTC. I don't know if we're gonna hold it on GTC. Dow is at 54.43. 54.30. But yeah, I mean, there's just really good investments because, like, they're emerging markets, and, you know, in the future, we all know that Mexico is going to be a good economy to invest in. Like, it's going to be a relative strength, big economy. Same with Brazil. Good economics, good economy, good politics. Like, there's nothing, like, really serious going on. Like, I know Mexico, I mean, like, with their cartels that's going on right now, I know that kind of shits on the economy a little bit. I mean, on the news. But still, looking at an economic standpoint, they're really good. The Holy Trinity for me right now. PBW. I know he was looking at PBW. That's nuts. Now at 54.43. So if we hold this level, we continue going down. We are holding the Bollinger Mean right here on the 15-minute chart. I was looking at B last night, but I didn't trade it. PBW. I know he was talking about that last night. PBW. No, I'm not trading that. GPTC. Yeah, GPTC. which is Bitcoin, gapped up from 23 to 23. Just basically like 4% toward the upside. It's coming down, just like the market. GTC, let's see if we hold off the RL10. Market is starting to fall. Your NZD is shooting up, no entry for me as it's just breaking through the 50 off the bias and just continue going higher. Oils continue going down. I would like to see some divergence build right over here. I think we're going to come down to the 200 EMA on the 15-minute chart, which is about 23.063, which is right over here. Ooh, we are coming down on the VIX. That was like my first entry point. Look at that gap up. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see if I trade this. That was supposed to be my entry toward the upside. I think if it comes down and retests the level and then continues going high, I'm entering on that trade. On that swing trade idea that I had. RL10 is crossing over. Let's see. Some divergence building right there. Dow is at 54.27. Hey, it's okay. It's my dog. FTMO funded, I see. How much are you funded, if you don't mind me asking? I'm funded with a 100K account. Solo uno. Yeah, it's holding the 50, but no entry for me yet on the yen. I mean, that's what I thought. With this, like, bro, this is such an advanced system that it took me forever to kind of learn from it. Like, all these indicators have actual mathematical applications to it. Like, the river significance, like, the regression lines, like, tell you about the traders, the short-term traders, long-term traders. You know, the river kind of tells you the short-term trend. The dragon tells you the inner trend. Gold is starting to come down. Let's see. Yeah, gold is just shooting up. Look at that. So, my short idea, if it broke through the 800 EMA, I was going to go short. But it's quite the opposite. I don't know. I'm not really interested in taking it long as of yet. Because of the 800 EMA being in the way, so. Not really interested in taking it long as of yet, so we'll see. That was at 54.15. But I mean, like, this is a mechanical system where it just uses a lot of input, like mathematical input from data on the price action. So I mean, it is hard. Like, for me, it took me like a long time to kind of identify what everything means in the chart and like be confident with the system. So it's a bit advanced, not gonna lie. Dark Decay Long uses a lot of indicators, and it's nothing like to like he needs to use indicators. Just his indicators uses a lot of mathematical points and price action that helps him just kind of justify taking trades really well. But I think it's just something he prefers. But it is kind of a mathematical edge. It does give him an edge in the market because, you know, all of his indicators have such a strict mathematical point on it. Like, it's just not like a regular indicator. Like, his indicators are kind of like, I guess you could say special. Not really, but like, he designed them on his own, so I guess it gives him an edge on the market. And he's been trading these systems for over like 20 years, so that's also an edge. What kind of trader can say, I've been trading the same system for 20 years? It's a long time. See, that's more than I've been ever, like, being alive. Take this long if I want. I just need something. I mean, I really have the confirmation on the TDI. I don't have confirmation yet on the MACD, but it is in one part of confirmation. Now I'm having confirmation and price action right now. Nasdaq is coming down to a 200 EMA. Alright, I'll see if I can get long. I just need more confirmations on that. Yeah, Dow is just failing right now. It's at 53.93 right now. So about 1% down on the day. Now we're rejecting right there. I don't like it. Dow it's at 53.95. I'm interested in taking GTC short, long right now, but I'm debating it. Still holding in the summer. Price RL10 is starting to cross up. Baby Dragon starting to cross up. We'll see. I'm looking for an owl entry on NASDAQ right now. Execution to R. Your NZD is still holding that level, but I want to see more of a confirmation in my end. I would want to see the Liquid 50 continue going higher and RSI hold the Liquid 50 right there. But I don't really see an entry right now for me. Appreciate the subs. Yeah, I won't trade that. It's too much wicks. Not clear momentum for me, so that's a no trade for me. Oh my god, look at that failure. We're down about... Interesting. Nasdaq is up about 0.5%. Yeah, it's so interesting, man. I can't really like freaking trade a Nasdaq. It's just like it's so hard to determine when it's gonna break out. Man, I'm angry at myself. Like, look at the Nasdaq just up today. It's so hard to determine because like yesterday, like Friday I got chopped out. Like it was not the cleanest trade. Like I got chopped out yesterday, so it's not clean at all. Like look at this unchoppiness and then just a breakout. It's so hard to trade the breakout. And then like today I want to trade Dow Jones because it looked so much bullish. Trend is more bullish, whatever. It's just so freaking hard, man. It's been harder to trade Nasdaq. I'm not gonna lie. Swing trading, not so much, like not really, because I'm still holding the piece end on my swing trade right now. Like I'm up about like freaking 700 points, I believe, a little bit more. So I entered like right over here. I entered right over here. On the break of the 50. I need to find my markup or exactly where my stop was, but yeah, that's my trade. But again, it's just like it was a hard swing trade, not gonna lie, to hold. Even with my experience in trading, it was really hard to hold that piece. Because it was really slow, as you can see here with the candles. Really fucking slow. So it was way harder for me to hold these pieces right over here. But hey, patient pays. Just like, you know, last couple of weeks, not the best. Oh shit. Alright, pay attention. But I think it's more than 700 points right now. It's at almost like, I think, 1,000 right now. Debating if I should trade that. Yeah, UNZ fell at that level. That's why I didn't trade it. Alright, we saw the RLCO cross. RL 30 starting to come up, as well as the dragon. I would want it to break the median mode. If it makes a higher low, that'll be more interesting. Your NZD is just falling right now. Could make a higher low right here, we'll see. Gold is just halting right there. Yeah, there's no divergence build right there. So I'm not interested in it right now. Yeah. Look at 50 still rising. That's a good sign. Yeah, I'm gonna put my coffee in the fridge. I'm not gonna drink it today. Be right back. Right. We'll see. If we fail this level, I might just take it short. It's coming down. there's divergence now, so we'll see. I think my intro will be on the 5-minute or 3-minute if I am going to take it short. And I'll have to be on the 1 minute because I don't see any entries. Yeah, your NZD is just falling right now. So that's a bad sign. What the? Okay, now there's divergence building. Let's see what we do here. Very interesting. Okay, RLCO cross right there. Still waiting right now. Okay, I'm in right now. I'm in it small right now, so I'm gonna reduce risk if I do see a failure, and then just go short on it, which I'm allowed to, based on my based on the rules. But I definitely like that candle close on the Bollinger Mean. Yeah, being watchful of this right now. Closing half right now. Yeah, just being watchful right now. I closed half right over here. If it closes below that, I'm closing full on that. I'm adding in on the break of the previous high, and then adding in another position at 30881. Yeah, look at gold. Holy crap. Gold is just shooting up right here. Past ADR. UNZD starting to make kind of a higher low. Still rising. I think I just need to wait a little bit. We'll see. $54.42. You're just being patient with this right now. That's all you can do. I like how the stocks are starting to come up again. Nasdaq is up almost about 0.5%, 81 points. Look at that chop on S&P. Yep, just a whole lot of waiting. You're gonna wait a lot. Alright, so I'm seeing more of an indication of a downside, so waiting right now. I think I'm gonna go short. If it continues to fail. We'll see. I'm just being patient with it. Ugh. UNZ starting to push up again. Third push. Look at that gold push. That's insane. Well, it's trying to break through the 850, so through the 800, so that's good. Yeah. Looks like we are coming into a sideways quiet channel. Starting to start a pinch right now, which is fine. I'm looking to intro my longs right there. My wrist box will be right over here as it's starting to pinch. Regression line is still there. The 90s coming out of the way. It's gonna be the 30, the 10, the 9. I mean the 10 and 30 regression line and the median. And so it'll be a Z3 pinch. Sideways quiet channel. One bucking Bronco at a time if you want to hold on. You can only avoid one. This is an owl entry into a sideways quiet channel. To a Z3 pinch. So we can definitely see a breakout toward the upside. If not, I'll take it short for a pattern 1 failure toward the downside. But other than that, I reduced risk really fast, so I like that. Before the chop, I reduced risk. So I mean, I reduced risk about less than half an hour, and then my plan is to get out about 0.8, not even 0. Around 0.7 R. So this loser shouldn't be much of a loser. It should be about no less than a quarter percent of a loser if I do take it. Yeah. GPTC pinch. Oh yeah, that's what I was looking at. What you mean, bro? That's exactly what I was looking at. Thank you for telling me that. GPTC pinch. Oh, there's a Dow pinch too. Interesting. Yeah, everything's pinching right now, which could be a good continuation. Yeah, Bitcoin is trying to come up today. Looks like. We'll see. Look at that Bitcoin. We pinching. What is this? I really like how Dr. Long just teaches a lot about just patterns. Just memorizes the patterns in your head. We just passed that. We're in profit, baby. Let's go. We're breaking out from the sideways quiet channel like we expected. From an owl entry to a sideways quiet channel to a Z3 pinch, until it's coming into a breakout to the upside. Let's see. Let's go, baby. Patience is key. Being patient is key. Look at that momentum. Let's go, baby. Push it up. Push. Give me some more money. Yes, come on. Push it up so I can leave tonight very happy. Keep pushing up. Yeah, there you go. Almost at half an hour now. Let's go. Yeah, keep pushing up, babe. Come on, let's go. Give me some more money. Looking for another entry up here. I think I'm gonna continue scalping this long as soon as I see more moves. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. I'm not gonna be trying to hit the home run today. But I can definitely do it. We'll see. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, come on. Push it up, bro. Very, very nice. 54.39 on Dow. Am I correct? Actually, yeah, 54.43 right now on Dow. I want to show you guys just kind of like how the markets are at right now. Hopefully you guys can see. Alright, let me show you guys real quick. So globally, we have, you know, the SPY down. You know, here in Europe, we have, you know, FTMC down about almost 1%. Just basically Hong Kong, China, Beijing, Singapore. You can see all the markets are down. So in Europe, you know, we have FTSE up about 0.20%. Asia, we have about 0.77% on India. And then we have, like, here in the Asia sector, we have just about... In the Asia sector, we're about down right now, mostly on the Asia sector. So, looking at the whole market, we're not down too much. You know, it looks like we're barely in the red at break even, unless like FTMC is really down today. Don't know why, but we'll see. Nasdaq is, Dow Jones is starting to push higher. Come on, just keep pushing higher. MACD's up in the summer territory, so that's a good sign for a continuation toward the upside. TDI is looking pretty good. Liquid 50 still in sell zone. We'll see. I don't like how the 270 is right there. This will be a pocket. That's another pocket right there. I rented a small position right there, just because it's a pocket entry. We got the pocket right over here, pocket right over here. That means it filled right there, so pocket entry there. We're about $1/2 in profit right now. Let's go. That's fast. That's why exactly where I entered right there. It's a pocket entry, telling you that a pocket where buyers and sellers are looking to hold in and trade that price. Right there. Pocket. Pocket. Where is the pocket? Right over here? Right over here. Tesla. Very Tesla. Yeah, Russell 2000 was a good trade for me. I should have traded that today. Should have been more focused on that particular one. It's my fault. So a lot of waiting. Virgin Galactic is up 4.7% for the day. Your NZD is starting to fall again. Coming lower now. Oh, you're starting to push up. Yeah, S&P was a better indice to trade today. Dang it! It's hard to kind of find and calculate exactly which indice is to trade. Nasdaq was just shooting up today. It's just hard, but it is what it is. Nothing what you could really do. It's like 30106. This is gonna be a slow trade to trade today. Just a really slow move toward the upside. Yeah, look at gold, that's insane. Silver is up tremendously, about 1.7%. That's insane though. Look at that move. Yeah, that's an insane move to the upside. We're past the 150, so I'm waiting for a pullback, then I'll get into a swing trade on gold. But that's insane. That's an insane move to the upside. So this is gonna probably take a long time. Usually that's how these moves are. I don't see any divergence building against my direction yet. If there is, I may just close out a break even. Or just small risk. But hey, So I'm gonna end the stream right now just because I got other work to do. But I'll keep you guys updated on this trade. Just a slow trade. That's usually how it is. I should have traded S&P 500. You know, you could at least find that indecision toward the upside, or even the Russell. That was my bad. I was focused on Dow Jones. That was my plan for today. But I completely forgot about, you know, Russell 2000, which, I mean, this is such a good opportunity for me. I could have entered right over here, made a higher low, entered again right over here, and made some money. So that was my fault. But hey, there's nothing that you could do. Just, you know, being patient with it. I do think this trade will continue going up. It's just going to be really slow and choppy, just because on like the Dow Jones right now. But yeah, I mean, right now we're sitting about 0.30% in profit. So we'll see if we continue going higher, or if not, I may just close it out or break even. We'll see. But I do have confidence in this will try to continue going higher. But other than that, it's pretty much it. You know, just one trade taken for today, nothing else. Gold is shooting up, NZD it's just shooting down. So for now, just one trade taken for today. I did take Euro NZD short, you know, long last night. But other than that, for today, we're not, you know, we haven't traded anything for, you know, today. So it is what it is. We'll see what we do today on Dow Jones. But that's pretty much it. You know, we're just waiting on this trade. It's just a bit choppy right now, so we're gonna wait it out. And if I don't see any still nice clean momentum later on the day, I may just close it out or break even. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or anything else like that. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. You kept pitching how you barrel his days fix system. I don't know which system you're talking about. But yeah, I'll see you guys later tomorrow at 8 a.m. CST. So should be a fun session.